Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Now we're going to talk about Highway 2000 East-West leg. This is the road we're on. We're actually driving from Meepen to Williamsfield on this section of the road. Very nice road, job well done by China Harbour Engineering Company and the Jamaican government. But this road is taking so long to be completed. This road is to go from Kingston to Montego Bay and then from Kingston to Negril. In Hodges in St. Elizabeth, the road will split. One section goes to Montego Bay, the other section goes to Negril. Now, there's a problem with this road, a huge mistake. When the road was originally being built, a foreign company was to build the road at their expense and collect toll to pay back for the building of the road. But somewhere along the line it was decided to split up the building of the road into sections. So the road from Kingston to Maypen was built and the company collected the toll. Very successful operation, and they have the concession to collect the toll for 30 years and they can extend it if need be. Now it brings us up to another point. The road was never built from Kingston to Montego Bay, but the concession was issued to the company to collect the toll from Kingston to Montego Bay. Now the Jamaican government built the road from Maypen to Mandeville at their expense, 188 million US. But Trans-Jamaica Highway still has the right to collect toll on the road. Now, the toll roads are very successful in Jamaica. And Jamaica wants to build a road from Mandeville to Hodges, from Hodges to Montego Bay, and from Hodges to Negril. Do you know China Harbour Engineering Company can build that road at their expense and they collect the toll to pay back for the building of the road? The road could be built, the entire remaining section of the road, the three legs, Mandeville to Mandeville to Hodges, Hodges to Montego Bay, and Hodges to Negril could be built in 5 years. Could be built in 5 years. China Harbour Engineering Company, they are one of the largest contractors in the world. They build all these major highways in Jamaica. This section that you're looking at, they build. They would be able to fund the project and collect the toll to pay back for the building of the road. That arrangement they have for Highway 2000 North-South leg, that's the Kingston to Ocho Rios Road. They were given a concession of 50 years to build the road. Also, they were given some land as an incentive. 1,200 acres of land in Miami Bay, or along the highway, including some land in Miami Bay. So that same arrangement could be made for them to build out this highway and finish it in 5 years. But guess what? Trans-Jamaica Highway has the concession. Now it was, I don't know what happened, who dropped the ball, what went wrong, but the government needs to take the concession away from Trans-Jamaica for the sections of the road. Basically just leave them with the Kingston to Maypen leg and the Portmore leg. And every other leg of the highway, there should be no concession on it, and a new arrangement or a new concession put into place and give the project to China Harbour Engineering Company or another foreign contractor who will pay to build the road and collect the toll to pay back for the building of the road. But as long as Trans-Jamaica Highway has that concession, the road is going to take forever to be built, and right now they can't even come up with a solution or an arrangement to charge toll on the Maypen to Mandeville leg of the highway. So how are they ever going to come to an agreement for the other sections? I say go back to the original agreement that was in place. A foreign company builds the road, or a company builds the road, and they collect toll to pay back for the costs associated with building the road. It works well. Give them whatever incentive you need, and I say use China Harbor Engineering Company. They have the finances, they have the expertise, they are already in Jamaica. So now, when these highways were being built, a clause was put in also, in addition to the concession agreements, about a non-compete clause, meaning you cannot build any road to compete with the highway toll road. But when the government wanted to upgrade Mandela Highway, the upgrade clause would have been triggered. So the government went and changed the law, or changed the agreement. They had to go through Parliament, and it was changed, and Mandela Highway was upgraded, and no compete clause was ever triggered. So that's what they need to do with the concession. Take it away from Trans Jamaica and give it to a company that is willing to build the roads, and a company that is capable of building the roads, the remaining sections of these highways. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day. We're actually on the Melrose Hill bypass now, which is a part of the highway, but this section of the road is not a toll road, and it will never, well, it should never be a toll road. It was never designed to be a toll road. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Let us know what you think of the concession agreement with the highways. Alright guys, have a good day.